After the silver has made a bullish breakout in the previous week, we can see the price has formed a bearish pin bar, like right here at the resistance level 38.39, indicating further decline in value. The price has reached and continued to lose its value, reaching a support level 37.43. From here, the price in the next 3 days has risen in value, and we can see that for the 2 days the price was touching this area of support, which means a bearish strength that has pushed the price from here to here. Then they have tried to move the price further down, but we can see a bullish trend here at the support level was much stronger, and eventually the price has reached the area of resistance on the Friday. On the Friday, by the end of the day, we can see after reaching the area of resistance 38.39, the price has retraced slightly. Weekly time frame shows me indecision candle, indecision between the buyers and the sellers, but it is a confirmation of the bullish breakout from the previous week, which is great information for the silver and also the buyers, which is indication of the bullish trend, which means that the price will try to reach higher price levels next week. Monthly time frame currently shows me it is forming a bullish breakout about 37.43 resistance level. So in the next 2 weeks we need to see the price stays above, which means a bullish breakout on the monthly time frame, indicating further rise in value, where the next resistance will be 39.68. Will it happen? Well, everything is pointing currently that it will happen, but we need to see the daily time frame. The daily time frame has a resistance level in front of the price, which means the price needs to make a bullish breakout. A bullish breakout like in this example here, and also like in this example here. After the price forms this bullish breakout, this will be indication of the bullish strength, which means the price will target the next resistance levels, and that means 39.68 is the next target for the price. But also, let's see how the Monday opens. Will the price open with a gap or without a gap, and also in which direction the price will go? This is something that we need to watch closely, especially on the lower time frames. You can see that I also pay attention to the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame, how the price is behaving and in which direction the price is moving. After that, we will see where the price go, but feel free to check the premium analysis group. The link will be below in the description, so you can also get information when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout and where is the target. So for example, in this case, when this bullish breakout happens, you get information that the breakout has happened. The target will be here, the entry level, just when the candle closes, and the stop loss will be below the candle. So feel free to check. Enjoy other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.